Welcome back to One, Count to 10 Martial Arts School, taught by One Founded One, the Channel One News, and the Turtle Service of the school. Today's top story. Seriously, folks. Today's top story, Michael the Missing Cat. Well, recently, I was traveling abroad for out of the Omaha, Nebraska, USA region for various reasons, for work reasons and for a good reason, other reasons. Me and my friend Michael the Cat were in my white van traveling through Nevada on around November 18th, 2018. And we pull off an Interstate 80 exit, and Michael booked out of the van because he was having concerns. He had concerns regarding the population in California, the California region. He was concerned there was too many peoples down there for him, and he was also concerned about gang violence in the California area region, and he was also concerned about pollution down there, and incidentally, since good cats are kind of sensitive to signals, to sound, if nothing else, Michael was also concerned about the signal intelligence in the California region. There's a lot of devices out there and a lot of sounds and stuff. So anyway, Michael booked out of the van and somewhere off of an I-80 exit in Nevada. I've got him down to about a 500-mile area, somewhere off of an interstate exit in Nevada on November 18th, 2018. And Michael the Cat booked off an I-80 exit in Nevada, not far from Winnemucca in November of 2018. I am trying to get him back 100%, totally, always, regardless of all, always. I know his location always. He is still happy living with a woman named Lorin, I think. Possibly a girl named Lorin. I just have a feeling that's her name. A human, and he has plenty of food and shelter and privacy and pets every day, just like he's used to. Alright, so I filed a report at least two humane societies, one at the Nevada Humane Society and also at the Washoe County Regional Animal Services. And I've tracked down Michael's microchip number. And class, if you can find anything out or can help us find Michael in any way whatsoever, please contact me at YouTube somehow. There's a way. And YouTube has a way to get a hold of me. So if nothing else, you can post comments at this video site and get in touch with me there regarding Michael's whereabouts. And incidentally, I am offering up to a $1 million reward for a safe return. I'm not too worried about him, but we're trying to get back together. All right. Next story. The Count to 10 Martial Arts School Estate. The estate plan. I have a rough draft, possibly somewhat to scale drawing of our current designs so far for the school estate. Now, until the school estate is built, of course, the universe is our dojo. Big place. There's the entrance, parking lot, Sandra and I's home at the center, and then the 10 classrooms outside of the home. Maybe a couple windmills for electricity. We're planning on some solar panels, maybe. All right. All right, now an impression by Roberto the Cell Phone Comic. Genesis. Robbie in the beginning with his magic power called omnipotence. Thinking about everything. What was he going to do with his magic power? He had created himself. What else would he create? The rest of the universe. So there was Robbie thinking diligently about what he was going to do. So here's Robbie. This is Roberto Silva Comics' impression of Robbie at Genesis. Seriously, folks. Next story. Special tribute, and this is a repeat story, but special tribute. Well, I still have documentation of it. Cartoon I draw. That's a tribute that I drew. Excuse me. To that's a tribute to Benny Hill and the Paramore Troubadours and Paramore Troopers. Modern Issues cartoons. Tribute to Benny Hill. Look at this good-looking angel guy. Man, is he good-looking. Remember, sexual equality always. Who knows what sexuality is? An angel and nothing. Try that again. Look at that super bod on the guy. A little joke, and finally our final story in this brief edition of Channel 1 News Tonight class is a duplicate at minimum documentation of my 2-page book. All right, let's go out with Somewhere Out There. Film version from An American Tale. Remembering Michael the Cat, and I know he's still alive and well. He's fine, but trying to get back together. Okay, my 2-page book. 10 Commandment Way. The charted path to good health and universal justice. I'm going to count to 10 martial arts school. Page 1. Oh, yep, no, page 2. Or in other words, always totally 100% obey these 10 commandments, always, regardless of all odds. I will not kill, I will not lie, I will not steal, I will not commit adultery, I will not take the Lord's name in vain, I will not covet anything of my neighbors, I will love my neighbors as myself, I will not bear false witness against my neighbor, I will honor all, I will remember the Lord's Sabbath day to keep it holy, I will do unto others as I would have them do unto me, I will hold no God before the real Lord God, and make for worship an image. The end. Page 2. Alright, so please help us get me and Michael back together. I miss him terribly, and he's happy. He was happy to get out of the Omaha area. He was very tired of the Omaha area and the signal intelligence in the Omaha area. Alright, stay tuned for more next time at YouTube at Universal Place. At 1 Count to 10 Martial Arts School. Copyright 1, Patent 1. Channel 1 News. Stay safe out there, Mikey.